Yeah, the spot is looking quite okay. The current seems to be quite fast and quite big, but hopefully this won't be a problem. I'm not very sure about what to expect from this day, but I don't know, let's say that I'm here for some asp or for some zander. So I will just throw some soft baits here, I will just throw some hard baits, and hopefully there will be some fish in this area. Now, considering that I just got here, perhaps the best thing that I can do is to make a few casts with some hard bait to check, come on, to check if there is no asp in this area. This is a very strange spring here. We had so much rain in the past weeks that it's almost incredible to believe. The Po River, it's extremely high, almost impossible to reach it or to fish it. So right now I will just insist here, and hopefully some fish will come. Let's say that my expectations are not very high, but high enough to hope for at least one fish. Come on, so let's hope. Ooh, what a nice hit was this, and this must be a good asp. Whoa, I've been missing so much these hits that the asp is giving you. Come on, don't go there. Come on. I really don't want to miss this asp. And that feels like a good one. Come on here, bud. Yes. Oh, that's a good one. Come on up, buddy. You just gave me a great hit. I really miss those hits, and that's a nice asp. Thanks, man. Go. Thank you. Oh, the hit that this guy gave me just remind me why I love so much fishing for the asp. The way these guys are hitting your lure, it's just crazy. Right now I'm fishing quite close to the surface, and I will be fishing for another 5-10 minutes like this. I think I've been fishing for only 15, perhaps 20 minutes and got this asp. So right now my hopes are getting quite high for some really good asp. Oh no, I just missed that one. It was quite far. I had this big belly, but that was good. That was good. I really don't know what to do anymore. After that third hit, I think that I'm fishing for about an hour, trying a bunch of different lures without getting any single bite. Almost feels like there is no more asp in this area. Right now I'm trying to fish with one of these RH lures a little bit closer to the bottom, hoping that some asp is hunting in that area, because I've been fishing all this time closer to the surface without getting a single bite. Nothing. I even tried some soft baits for some zander and really nothing. Almost looks like there is no fish in this area. I think that right now I will insist a little bit more deeper, and if nothing happens, perhaps I will give it a try with some more soft baits, and perhaps even with some hard bait that works a little bit closer to the surface. Come on, I had 3 strikes and only 1 fish. That's not good, so let's hope for a second fish. Oh, that was good. Now let's see. What's this? Is this an asp or it's a zander? I'm quite sure that it will be, yeah, that's an asp. Because the hit was really good, and even though I was with a soft bait, here it is. And that's nice. Yeah, definitely this guy it's a little bit bigger than the previous one. Oh, I will just make a very quick picture with you. Yeah, that's a nice one. This is not something very usual, at least for me, to catch an asp on a soft bait. Thank you. Oh, you just got stuck under something. Here we go. Thanks a lot, buddy. That was a really good hit. It's not something normal to me to catch an asp with a soft bait, but it looks like this guy over here wanted this soft bait. It's kind of funny thinking about the fact that I'm fishing for more than an hour and a half different hard baits for some asp without getting a single bite, and then I decide to make a few casts with some soft baits, hoping for some zander, and here comes the asp. And that was a good one. I haven't measured it, but I'm quite sure that it was at least 70 centimeters. Now I don't know what to do. Fish more some soft baits or go with some hard baits. Oh no! What a strike was that! And here it comes. That was a good zander. I can't believe I missed it. Oh yes, that was a nice hit. And this guy feels quite a nice asp. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Now it's coming to me. Come on, come on, come on, up, 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 show yourself. And that's a nice asp. It looks like this guy preferred one of my lure in this crazy color. Oh, chill, buddy. Oh, this was nice. This was nice. And it took the lure right at the end. Oh, there's so much line here. Perfect. You already unhooked yourself. That it's better for both of us. Thanks a lot, buddy. That was a good one. And that was a really, really good hit. Even though it was really, really far. That was nice. Yes. And that was the third fish for today. Whew, what a good hit was that. It was right at the end of my cast, and considering that I caught it with one of my lures, it's just great. Now I can easily say that this session it's already great for me. I had 3 asp, one with my own lures, so for me it's just great. Now I think that I have less than an hour of fishing during the daylight, so let's hope for a 4th fish. I did my best to catch a zander in the dark for almost 1 hour, but haven't got any bite at all. I don't know, it just feels like it's not the right moment for the zander. Anyhow, for me it was already a good session with those 3 asp in the daylight, so it was great. Hope that you guys too enjoyed this video and this session. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.